Hey guys, so I don't know about you, but for me, one of the funniest parts of worshiping online is when we sing, because the worship team is being piped in, but we're all kind of singing by ourselves in our own home. And I just want to up that. So not only do I think we should sing together, I think we should dance together. So if there are any kids that have some wiggles, like this one right here, who needs to get them out, you can go ahead and join me. Maybe you know the song. It's called the Hokey Pokey. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left. I'm not going to do the whole thing. But you guys know that after the right hand, you do your left hand, and you do your right foot, and you do your left foot. And depending on how much time you're trying to stretch, you do your elbows, you do your ears, you do your head, you do the whole thing. Now, here's the thing in the Romick household. Elijah loves to sing and dance, but with the hokey pokey, he kind of gets bored. And so we get like right hand in, right hand out, turnabout, and then he's ready to do something else. And so we sing the hokey pokey, but we only sing it with the right hand. And we sing it over and over and over again, just the right hand. And that's not really the hokey pokey, right? Because we're missing a whole bunch of the body. I want you to think about that. What if instead of having a right hand and a left hand and a right foot and a left foot and elbows and knees and a head, what if all you had was right hands? Well, that would be pretty funny looking, right? You wouldn't be able to walk, you wouldn't be able to talk, you wouldn't be able to see or hear or do it because you'd all just be all right hands. The body wouldn't work. You know what's kind of funny? The Bible says the same thing. In 1 Corinthians chapter 12, it says, in verse 17, if the whole body were an eye, where would the sense of hearing be? If the whole body were an ear, where would the sense of smell be? But in fact, God has placed the parts in the body, every one of them, just as he wanted them to be. If they were all one part, where would the body be? As it is, there are many parts, but one body. Now, the Apostle Paul was not writing us a biology textbook about the parts of the body. He was actually using the body as an illustration for the church family and the church community. He's saying that each and every one of us is like a different part of the human body, and we need every single part together in order for it to work and function. Now, I don't know what part you are. I think I might be a fingernail, but we each have special roles and special parts to play. And it's only together, when we work together and are talking to each other and praying for each other and using our gifts, that the body works, that the church community works the way it's supposed to. So from now on, when you sing the Hokey Pokey, I want you to think about, what part of the church family did God create me to be, and how can I contribute? Because we need each other. All right, that's it for us. You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. We miss you.